Hi guys, uh, me and Rajesh will help you understand Clean Connect setup with the static route. And let me start this with this diagram. 1 second. Okay. The scenario is the customer is trying to access google.com from this PC right here. Let's say this is our customer here. And this guy, when he tries to access the google.com, the normal DNS query will happen, and his packet leaves his system, his CE router, and it reaches the PE, which is generally an IP, where the initial configurations are we have our reverse routes set for LAN and WAN, or otherwise he is not able to go online. Now, those LAN and WAN routes are redistributed via this interface into the MPLS BGP cloud. And when this packet goes from here to here, it has to reach the MPLS terminating router, which is connecting to the internet. And we have our firewall in between. But how do you reach to that MPLS PE? We have configured a default route in that PE which is distributed into the BGP cloud. Now, when the packet reaches here, it leaves this particular interface and reaches the particular firewall wherein the policies are set. Now, we are not going into the policies in this particular video, and I have some problem. Hold on. Okay. Alright. Now, there are certain policies here, and these, once it checks all the policies, whether if your traffic has to be enabled or dropped based on the source, it will take necessary action. Let's say your source has access to the internet, the packet will go outside. Once it reaches the IPE, then it will take the gateway and go to the internet. It goes through your peers and reaches the destination, and then the request packet comes back and it reaches your IPE again. When it reaches the IPE, it does IP route for your particular LAN. And when it does the IP route for your LAN, it finds that your reverse routes, which we have configured for your LAN and WAN, pointing via this MPLS-P. When this packet goes back via firewall and reaches this particular MPLS-P, we have redistributed its connected and static route. That is your default and your which routes, Rajesh?
The routes with customers, which are the static and the connected, which is already redistributed into the MPLS BGP, is known for the into this MPLS-P where the firewall is connected. So the reverse is automatically diverted back to the landing PE.
So this guy already knows where to go.
So
he will take care.
So it comes here. Now here there is a static route, redistribute connected and static route configured here. From the landing PE, it goes to the CE, and then it reaches the LAN IP.
That's all. So the end-to-end communication happened, and we have two FortiGate boxes, Chennai and Mumbai. This is just a common setup. I hope this has been informative. Thank you.